Hi guys, welcome to Bytescape Technologies. My name is Jennifer and I am the founder and CEO of Bytescape. So today we're going to create a flood detection system that detects the floods. So before we even start doing that, we're going to go through a sensor kit that I have here. So we have 32 sensors here. We have a humidity sensor, motion sensors, we have joystick, we have light sensors, we have quite a number of sensors here. And then we are going to go through the Arduino kit, the Arduino board kit. Yeah, so let's jump into it. So here with me I have an Arduino board. I also have LEDs. I have a water level sensor that we will be using in our project. I have a breadboard here. I also have a cable to connect the Arduino to the laptop when we are, uploading the code. I also have a remote control. I have resistors with me here. These are the resistors. Yeah. So we also have an SD card module. We have quite a number of items here, which we will be looking at in future, which I will be showing you. Which we'll be looking at in future when we do project, if we do another project with IoT. We also have a sensor kit here. 32 sensors we have. We won't go through all of them, but we will go through some of the major ones. So we have a motion sensor. We also have a joystick. So you can turn this around. This is a joystick. We also have a humidity sensor. We also have a ultrasonic sensor. We have two of these actually. We also have a light sensor. Where is the light sensor? So this is the light sensor. Light sensors we have two. There's this one and then there's this one. Okay. Light sensors we have a rotator encoder here. Yeah. We have a microphone. We have a microphone here. And we also have a couple of other things. Of course, we do have cables, lots and lots of cables that we can use to connect our items. We have cables there, a flat section. For that we're going to do this Arduino Uno board. We're going to use a breadboard. We are going to use LEDs instead of a light sensor. The ideal situation would be if you would send a notification directly to someone's phone, but if we do not have that, we will use